Hello, hello, hello everybody, and welcome back to question number 10 on the Fermat paper. The sum of four different positive integers is 100. The largest of these four integers is n. The smallest possible value of n is. Okay, we've got some options here. One thing that really stands out is the 94 here. I suspect this is if you misread the question and said if you wanted the largest possible value of the largest of the four integers, you would get e. Because you can get 1, 2, 3, and 94, and that adds up to 100. But that's not the smallest possible value of n. That's, in fact, the largest possible value of n. Okay. So, well, let's imagine our numbers. I don't think I can fit it sort of into this middle place, so we will flip the page. So we've got positive integers. They're all different. A, B, C, and then the n that we want to solve. Now, for n to be as small as possible, we might want to sort of cram these numbers together as close as possible. So I would start by trying to let, a plus 1 be b, b plus 1 be c, and c plus 1 be n, which I can quickly rearrange to a is n minus 3, b is n minus 2, c is n minus 1, and of course n is n. Now, just because I'm making this assumption, it does not mean that I can actually find integers that will make this work and that they all add up to 100. Okay? I might get this and it works out, but then, suddenly a is negative or something like that, which is not part of what we're allowed to do. So this is just sort of an idea. If I want n to be as small as possible, I kind of want there to be as small a gap as possible between n and c. Okay? That's the thinking here. But now I have everything in terms of n. I can set it equal to 100, and maybe I can solve it. Maybe I can't. In which case, then I'll tweak it and say, okay, well, maybe I can't have c and n right next to each other. Okay, we'll let n be c plus 2, something like that. But I suspect it will work. It's question 10. It's a part A question. All right, so we know a plus b plus c plus n is 100. Well, that means n minus 3 plus n minus 2 plus n minus 1 plus n is 100. So 4n on this side, and we get 106 on the other side. And so divide 106 by 4. Well, I'd get n is 26.5. I see there were some problems there. Definitely some problems. Could I make n 26? Unfortunately, no. If n was 26, the next best thing we can have is 25 and 24 and 23, and that simply doesn't add up to enough. This here is 75 plus 23, we would get 98. So we're off by a bit. But we're close. Could n be 27? I suspect it can be. Let n be 27, we'll let c be 26, and b be 25. So in total right now that's 3 times 26, which is 78, and then we can let a be 22. Okay. Now this has got to be the smallest, right? We just showed 26 won't work. No matter how big we make c, b, and a, it's not big enough to get us up to 100. Okay. But n equals 27, c being 26, b 25, and a 22 will do just fine. There are other ones that'll work here. Let's c be 25, b be 23. No, b be 24. No, actually, I guess this is the only one that'll work. Nifty. All right, but that's neither here nor there. D. In fact, we can see, if we wanted to, we could have just checked, can A work? No. Can D work? No. Can C work? No. Can B work? No. Then it would have to be E, that sort of thing. So we could have just gone from smallest and tried to guess and check in our head. But we did it a bit more exactly here, and we got an answer, D. So thanks for watching, and hopefully you guys will join me for question number 11 next time.